to show you this set right here. This is a kit. This is 3 pieces. Okay, these are heavy duty brass combination valves. You have the union right here. It's an all brass union, so that you can take this off. You can remove the whole thing with just both of these. The hot and cold have this. Also, they have clean outs on them. There's a valve that goes to the clean out, and there's a valve for the regular water flow, and that's on both the hot and the cold. The hot also has a place for safety mechanism here. And so these 3 pieces come with the kit, and I'm going to put a link in my video description for this kit right here. If you plan ahead, you can save yourself some money. And the other thing you need to know, if you look at the little drawing here, we have a gas line. Let me discuss the gas line a little bit. I have a mock-up of exactly what is on the gas line. You have a valve, a 3/4 valve. Now this comes with your Rheem tankless water heater, this valve right here. So this does not. This set that I was talking about, that does not come with it. You have to buy that. And so that's why I got you a link in my video description for a really good price for it. Okay, the rest of the piping, it does not come with it. Okay, so I've got this mocked up here, see, to look exactly like the drawing. What you have is you have a 3/4 gas valve, then you have a nipple, a 3/4 nipple, then you have a 3/4 union right here. This is so you can remove the whole unit if you want. You got a union here, a union here, a union here. So it all comes apart. Now this right here is called a drip leg. It's important to install a drip leg. It's also another term for it is sediment trap. You see they have it come right down here and it's capped right there, so that sediment will not get into your system. What we're going to do is put on the combination hot water valve, and since this is a union right here, the thing you do is go ahead and take it off like this. Okay, and then there's a gasket right here that's important to not lose. Put that right there. Now we're going to install this on right here on the hot water side. So I'm going to use a pipe dope. On here, don't forget to put your rubber gasket on there. It goes just like this. The clean out points out towards you. So this points straight down to your hot water, the start of your hot water system right there. Now we're going to do the cold water, and it's the same procedure. You take off the union piece. Careful not to lose the gasket. And you thread it on. Okay, put your gasket back on and put this right in. The hot water, the remote, the cold water, the electrical, and here's where the gas comes in. So here I have my gas mock-up right here. I'm all organized and ready to go. So I'm going to take and put the pipe dope on the threads. Now the next thing on our setup here is this nipple. This is what they call a close nipple. See, it's short. That's all you need for right here. Just a nice close nipple. Okay, now we're going to have a gas union. It's very similar to the water unions. So that'll give you 3 unions so you can remove the whole unit, the whole tankless water heater unit later on. So this comes apart like this, and this is a metal to metal connection right here. See, there's a nice brass ring there. It's machined, and this goes right on it. And that's your connection. You screw on the first part of your union. Alright, the gas line, I've stubbed this out. I've brought this all the way from the meter to right here. I have it capped off because I tested it for leaks. I tested the line for leaks, and that's going to be good. I'm going to work that over to right here. This is the union. So now we've got all the the hot water and the cold water and the gas pipe all plumbed, and I also have the overflow for the pressure relief valve. It goes down about 6 inches from the ground. Okay, so here's the finished product. Here's your hot water valve with the pressure relief valve attached to it. And here's the cold water valve. Both the hot and the cold water valve have the flush set up here where you can flush your tankless hot water heater with vinegar about once a year. And here's the gas line with a 3/4 valve right there. Got a drip leg and another valve going to the main line from the gas meter. So I'm going to put a link for this 3-valve set: the pressure relief valve, the hot water, the combination hot water valve, and the combination cold water valve. I'm going to put a link for that in my video description. So just click on it and you get all the information and pricing and so forth on that set. Okay, well, thank you very much, and I hope this was helpful.